Hello, everyone. This is the number one question that I got so far this week, and it deals with system of equations and three variables. So the question is going to become, what are the variables that we are looking for? So real quick, I'm just going to read the problem, and then I'll do it for us. So after watching a major musical production at a theater, the patrons can purchase souvenirs. If a family purchases four T-shirts, the video, and a stuffed animal, their total is $135. A couple buys two T-shirts, the video, and five stuffed animals for their nieces and spends $145. And then another couple buys two T-shirts, the video, and a stuffed animal, and their total was $85. What is the cost of each item? And then it says simplify your answers completely. So when we think about this, there are three different sales happening. There is the family, okay? Then we have one couple, and then we have another couple. So there are three different, like I said, three different sales here. And then the next thing you notice is in each one of these sales, there were T-shirts, a video, and a stuffed animal in different amounts. So we're going to let X equal the T-shirts. We're going to let Y equal the videos. And then we're going to let Z equal the stuffed animal. And if you think about this, and hopefully you've made this connection by now, two variables, two equations. Three variables, three equations. We have three variables, and we have three different sales transactions here. So we can go ahead and we can set this up. We'll do the family first. So here's our family. And we know they bought four T-shirts. So that's going to be 4x plus the video. So that's going to be 1y plus a stuffed animal. So that's going to be z. And that has to equal $135. Now for the couple, and we'll say couple one, two T-shirts. So that's 2x plus a video. Well, that's y plus five stuffed animals, 5z. And that has to equal 145. And then finally, couple two bought two T-shirts, 2x, plus a video, 1y, and a stuffed animal, plus z, and that's going to equal 85. So right here is our system of equations in three variables, in which we need to go through and choose a variable, eliminate it, and all that good stuff. So step one for me, and I'm going to erase this box here, because, I'm going to label these equations for us. So this is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. And I'm going to eliminate. I'm going to go with the variable y in. So we're going to eliminate the variable y in equations 1 and equation 2. And how am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to take negative 1 multiplied by equation 1 and then add that result to equation 2. So negative 1 times 4x plus y plus z equals 135 is going to give me negative 4x minus y minus z equals, let me write that z better, minus z equals negative 135. So there's my negative 1 times equation 1, and then directly underneath, I'm just going to put plus equation 2, which is plus 2x plus y plus 5z equals 145. And now when I add these two together, I get negative 2x plus y minus y cancels itself out, and then negative z plus 5z is plus 4z, and negative 135 plus 145 is going to be positive 10. So I get negative 2x plus 4z equals 10, and I'll put a box around this. I'm going to label that equation 4. So there's step 1. Now step 2, I have to eliminate the variable y again. However, I cannot choose equation 1 and 2. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at them real quick. And I think I'm going to go with equation we'll do 1 and 3 this time. So eliminate y again in equation 1 and equation 3. And then how am I going to do that? Well, again, I'm going to take -1 times equation 1, and I'm going to add it to equation 3. Now, the reason why I did that is because I noticed right up above, right here, where I'm underlining, I already did -1 times equation 1, so it's already there for me. So I'm just going to rewrite it here. So -4x minus y minus z equals -135. There's my -1 times equation 1. And then let's write out equation 3. So what is equation 3? 2x plus y plus z. 2x plus y plus z equals 85. Okay? Now from here, we're going to add these together. So that's going to give me -4x plus 2x. Well, that's going to be -2x. -y plus y is 0. Cancels out. -z plus c is 0. That cancels out as well. So I get -35 plus 85, which equals -50. And then from here, if you notice, I have one variable, which is fantastic. So I'm just going to go ahead and divide both sides by -2 to give me x equals 25 and put a little box around this. So now that I know what x equals, I can go ahead and this is the actual term. It's called backward substitute. So I'm just going to go backwards, and I'm going to substitute in my variable x into equation 4. So let me write this underneath. -2x plus 4z. So we got -2x plus 4z equals 10. I think it was 10. Yeah, we're 10. Now we know x was 25. So now -2 times -25 is -50 plus 4z equals 10. I will add 50 to both sides to give me 4z equals 60. And then divide both sides by 4 to give me z equals 15. Okay? So we know what z is. We know what x is. And now we can go all the way back to one of the original equations that we have. So we can go all the way back to one of these three, because we know x equals 25, z equals 15. So it doesn't matter which one you pick. The only one that matters is make your substitutions correctly and simplify. Personally, I think I'm going to go with just equation 3 because the numbers are like the smallest there. So that's 2x plus y plus z. So 2x plus y plus z equals 85. Then we have 2 times 25 plus y plus 15 equals 85. That's going to give us 50 plus y plus 15 equals 85. 50 plus 15 is 65. Plus y equals 85. And then finally, all I have to do is just subtract 65 from both sides of my equation to give me y equals 20. Now, all this is all good, all right? We got our variables, and we know what they represent. However, we need to write out what they actually represent, all right? So remember, we said x equal to t-shirts, right? So x turned out to be 25. So the t-shirts were $25 a piece, okay? Now, we said y were the videos. So the video turned out to be $20 a piece. And then finally, we said Z turned out to be the stuffed animal. Was this stuffed animal? Yeah, stuffed animal. Stuffed animal. And Z turned out to be $15 a piece. All right. So I hope this helps. And I don't know. I'll see you next week when I see what the next big problem is for the week, and I'll make another video for that.